Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss about the tense. You know that in English language, tense plays a very important role in sentence formation. Tense actually denote to the time of the action. So let us discuss about the tense. So first of all, you also need to know that the tense is classified into three types, such as present tense, then past tense, and future tense. Actually, present tense denotes to the time of the today itself or the actions which take place today itself. Past tense denotes to the actions which have happened yesterday or before yesterday. And future tense denotes to the actions which have or the time of the action which have happened or which are going to happen in the tomorrow or after the tomorrow itself. So let us first of all start from the present tense itself. So see, actually the present tense is classified into four subtypes, such as simple present tense, then continuous present tense, perfect present tense, and perfect continuous present tense. See, actually these are the four subtypes of present tense, and each tense has its usage or its purpose to be used in the language itself. So see, let us first of all discuss about the simple present tense. See, simple present tense has a structure like this: S plus V plus O oblique A oblique C. See, actually S means subject plus verb. Here in the simple present tense, first form, that is the base form or S form, is of the verb is used, and then object or adverbial or complement is used. For example, see, here we can discuss like this: I bring a notebook. See, actually after I, we, you, they, we can use the base form of the verb. Base form means what? Where we do not use s or we do not add s to the verb itself. That is called as a base form. And then after he, she, it, he, she, it, you have to use yes form of the verb. That means brings a notebook. Or the notebooks, in this way. So this was about the structure of the tense with the example itself. Let us discuss now about why these tenses are used, or what is the purpose of the simple present tense. See, actually simple present tense is used to denote the habitual action. So you will also confuse that what is mean by habitual actions. See, actually the actions which we do regularly on the regular basis are called as a habitual actions, or the things or actions which we do always are called as a habitual actions. For example, I go to school, or they work in the company. See, actually these are the actions which take place regularly, always. Here, actually the simple present tense cannot tell about the definite time in the present tense. That's why it is called as a indefinite tense also, indefinite present tense also. See, the next purpose of the simple present tense is to denote the universal truth. See, actually, the universal truth are the truth which never, that means which consist actions which never changes. Maybe in the past, or today itself, or tomorrow itself, they will not change. Such as the as a sun, or we can also discuss about the second example as the earth revolves around the sun. So see, actually the earth was revolving in the past also, today also, and in the future. That's why these are the universal truth. So that's why to denote universal truth also simple present tense is used. Then to express some present moment also simple present tense is used. For example, I live in Kasti, and sometime simple present tense is used in narratives also, in exclamatory sentences, imperative sentences, sayings and proverbs also. So this was about the simple present tense. Let us discuss now about the next tense, that is the present continuous tense. So see, actually the structure of the present tense is like this: S, that is the subject, plus B. B means the verb, such as is, am, are, plus verb ing, or it is called as a present participle also, or verb 4, plus object, or maybe adverbial or complement. In this way, this is the structure of the present continuous tense. And actually I want to tell you that present continuous tense is used actually to denote or to indicate the ongoing action. So for example, the children are playing in the field. So see, the things which are happening just now, for such things, or for such actions, you have to use present continuous tense. It is also used to express the actions which is going to happen in the nearby future, such as suppose the train is stopped on the platform itself, and now after 5 minutes or after 10 minutes it is just going to start. And so for such type, to express such type of action also which are going to happen in the nearby future, you can use present continuous tense. For example, the train is leaving for Mumbai. That means it is going to leave after 5 minutes or maybe after 10 minutes. So this was about the present continuous tense. See the next tense now, that is present. See, the next tense is a perfect present tense, and its structure is like this: yes, that means subject plus have. Now in the present tense, have is have oblique has, plus verb en, or it is called as the past participle also, or verb 5, plus object. In this way, this is the structure of perfect present tense. Now see, the perfect present tense is used to indicate just completed action which has influence on the present situation also. For example, I have written a letter. That means the person had just completed the letter, but maybe before 1 hour or before half an hour, and still it has influence on the present situation. Another example can be discussed as they have gone to the company. That means actually they have reached to the company maybe before, or they have gone before just half an hour or before an hour also. So see, in this way, this was about the perfect present tense. Now we discuss about the perfect present continuous tense. See its structure. Its structure is like this: subject plus have in bracket. That means actually these are the verbs of to have which are used in the present tense, plus been plus verb ing or present participle itself, plus object or adverbial or complement. Okay, in this way, this is the structure of perfect present continuous tense, and it is used to indicate the action which is started in the past but still is going on. For example, I have been writing novel. The novel since 2018. See, actually the actions which have actually started in the past, in some proportion they are complete also, but still they are going. For such type of actions we can use perfect present continuous tense, because such type of action may not complete within some hours, within some days, but it takes a long period of time, such as 6 months, maybe 1 year, or more than 1 year also. Or the actions which have started in the uh, in the morning itself. That means suppose I have been working since morning. That means it is already started in the morning, but still it is not something, it is going on. So such type of action also you can use perfect present continuous tense. So this was about the present tense. In the next session we'll discuss about the past tense itself. Till then, that's all.